So Wiley, when you get someone and you're talking to someone and let's say you're doing mortgage protection, right?
Yeah.
They're like, hey, why do I'm say it's an older person, right? They're like, I want to be able to cover the entire mortgage, or I don't want anything at all.
Yeah. So if they're at that point, what I'll do is you got to focus on their information and what's important to them. So let's say I'll ask them a question. I say, hey, how much is your home, or how much do you owe on your house right now?
300,000.
Okay, perfect. And have you appraised your home recently?
Yeah, it's worth like 5.
Okay, so perfect. So it looks like you have $200,000 sitting in equity then, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a whole lot of money, isn't it, Zach?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so you wouldn't want to lose that, I'm assuming.
No, I wouldn't.
Okay, sweet. Well, the good news, man, is I'm going to show you what the full mortgage costs. But what's really cool right now is we have an equity protection program going on. And this is what 95% of my clients are going with. So I'm going to break it down a little bit. But God forbid you passed away tomorrow. Your wife's obviously going to lose your income, and she's going to be stuck with that $1,500 a month we talked about. Now, your mortgage is $2,000. So is she going to be able to afford that?
No.
No way, right? Yeah, and so we don't want her to lose $200,000 in equity and it go back to the bank. Because, I mean, who wants the bank to make more money, right?
Right.
Yeah. So what we're going to do, and what most families do, is they put together a program where it's going to pay your mortgage for 9 months. And so it's equivalent to, whatever, $12,000, $24,000, whatever it is. And it's going to cover that mortgage for 9 months. Your wife has an adequate amount of time to do 3 things. She can either sell the home, find a renter to move in and make it affordable, or she can do a reverse mortgage. That's our last resort. But at least we're not having that $200K go back to the bank.
Got it. Sounds good.
Yeah. And so I think when you set structure and allow them to run with the herd, and it's like, hey, this is what 95% of my clients are doing. I can show you the full mortgage, but it is going to be an arm and a leg, and we're going to watch your firstborn every month. So I don't think that's going to make sense.
Yeah. Letting people know, like, if you want me to write it, I'm a capitalist. You can pay me for it, but it's not good for your family.
And I think when you position yourself like that, like, yeah, of course, I'm going to show you that. But honestly, sir, I just don't think it's going to make any type of sense for you. It feels like you're on their side, which you are. And then if you can put you and the client against the bank, we're going to win every time. No one wants to help the bank.
100%.